well, you have like two materials coming from conflict-free mines in Congo, and as far as I understood, you chose them, although you could have them from conflict-free mines in Australia, for example, but you chose Congo to also to change something. So can you tell me something about that?
Well, I don't know if you're familiar with the Dodd-Frank Act. Okay, so to explain you a bit, that the Dodd-Frank Act is legislation, U.S. legislation that says that all companies that are on the stock market in the U.S. have to show that they do diligence on where their minerals are coming from. So they have to show that they took an effort to know where their minerals are coming from. That means effectively that the whole area of Eastern Congo, which is the conflict area, and Uganda and all the surrounding countries, that companies left. They just left the area because it was too much trouble. So that's an effective boycott, basically. So a lot of people lost their jobs because they depend on mining, even though a lot of these mines were not related to conflicts. It was just too much trouble to mine from that area. And the opposite actually happened in some occasions, that people were joining the militias again because they lost their jobs. They didn't have, they didn't have an income, so they were joining the armies or the militia again. So the conflict even got worse in some areas. So then you have, some companies said we have to fill in that gap because, we can run towards Australia and leave Congo for what it is. Because tracking and tracing got into place, and people, companies were even, it was easier to show where the minerals were coming from. But some of these companies said, well, we're going to do it still in Congo because then we can contribute to the economic situation still. So we were part of that initiative. So we're doing two initiatives: Solutions for Hope and the CFTI, Conflict-Free Tin Initiatives, which is one is on tantalum, the other on tin. And with those initiatives, we try to still stay in Congo, show that it's possible to mine from Congo with all the due diligence, showing the tracking and tracing and everything, with all the problems also connected to it. Because one of the things you get if you stay, mining in Congo, is that there's still child labor, that there's still a lot of, bad working conditions. But we believe that the first steps towards solving these things are actually not leaving these areas, but staying there and contributing to the economic situation. And you already see in the mine where we're, for example, conflict-free tin initiative is that there's already improvement in the working conditions of the people working there.